Oh, hey campers, I didn't see you there. I'm Kyle, and today we're going to be drawing a character from Angry Birds, specifically Red. So you guys have probably played the games or have seen the movie, but if you haven't, that's okay. To start, we're going to draw a circle. I know circles can be tricky, so you can use something that it has a circular shape. I'm going to use a roll of tape. You're going to want to outline and that will be the body of the bird. So from the middle of the circle, you're going to want to draw 2 slanted rectangles for the eyebrows. Connect it and draw all the way to the edge of the circle. Those are your eyebrows. Next, you're going to want to draw 2 U's underneath the eyebrows, 1 on each side. And these are going to be the eyes. Next, you're going to want to draw a triangle for the beak. For the sides of the triangle, make sure that they're a little bit curved. Then connect it. What you can do is erase inside of the triangle. Gotta fix my triangle. Next, you're going to want to draw a similar triangle. However, draw it underneath the first triangle, but make it a little bit smaller. And there's your beak. Next, you're going to want to draw 2 small circles in both of the U's that you drew to create the eyes. Next, we're going to draw the feathers. The feathers have a silly shape, kind of reminds me of a pickle or a cheese doodle. So to start, you're going to start at the top of the circle and draw a shape similar to mine. And that will be the first feather. Then, what you're going to do for the bottom feather is draw a similar shape. However, make it a little bit longer than the first one. And that's your bottom feather. And to finish, we're going to draw the tail. So to start, we're going to draw 2 lines coming out of the edge of the circle. Make it about 1 inch apart. Then we're going to draw like an awkward V on both sides, still 1 inch apart. Then all you gotta do is connect them, the lines, just like this. Reminds me of an arrow. And there you have it, an Angry Bird. I know I didn't color mine in yet, but you guys definitely can. Even though it's the red Angry Bird, you can choose the color that's your favorite. I'm gonna use blue. See you later, campers. Thank you for drawing with me. See you next time.